Hello, and welcome to another edition of Net at Work's Vertical Market Solutions series. In this video, we'll explore how Sage X3's advanced ERP software enables food and beverage manufacturers to optimize their supply chain management processes, control costs, and streamline operations from production to delivery. Let's get started. Today's food and beverage manufacturing companies face a complex array of supply chain challenges. From fluctuating ingredient prices and unpredictable demand to tight delivery timelines and stringent regulatory compliance, maintaining a resilient and responsive supply chain is essential for operational success. Tracking perishable goods, managing inventory accurately, and handling fluctuating lead times further complicates these efforts. And even minor inefficiencies in these areas can result in costly delays, spoilage, or stockouts. Additionally, as consumer expectations for transparency continue to rise and sustainability regulations become more strict, manufacturers must be able to ensure traceability across their entire supply chain, which is a tall task, especially for companies currently using disconnected or legacy ERP systems. All these challenges underscore the need for an advanced ERP that supports all your critical processes and delivers end-to-end operational visibility. And with that in mind, let's take a look at Sage X3 and see what makes it the ideal platform for overcoming these issues. The Material Requirements Planning, or MRP process you see here, shows how interconnected supply chain activities within X3 address the dynamic demands of the food and beverage industry. It works by evaluating demand against supply over a specified time frame, then generating order suggestions to bridge gaps when needed, helping to ensure the supply chain remains streamlined and efficient in the process. Operating as a demand-based system, Sage X3 is well suited for managing perishable products, because it leverages sales orders, sales demand forecast, and e-commerce demand signals to guide planning activities. It can analyze historical sales data, seasonality trends, and shelf life considerations, while also leveraging various AI integrations that can power forecasting algorithms to generate precise demand forecasts. Plus, for customers that provide their own forecasts, such as recurring wholesale or distributor orders, these can easily be input and factored into planning as well. Once demand data has been established, X3 then consolidates purchasing needs into an easy-to-read table in the purchasing buyer's workbench. Here, the system calculates and displays suggested purchase orders, including products to be purchased, quantities, delivery dates, and key stock parameters, such as supplier lead times, safety stock levels, and economic order quantities. It also includes advanced filtering options, allowing for managers to refine results by product range, supplier, or date range, and even unique criteria like organic and kosher compliance. After reviewing the suggestions, purchasing managers can adjust quantities, split orders, or modify delivery dates, then automatically create all necessary POs in a single click by pressing the Generate button. These capabilities are particularly impactful for multi-site operations, as demonstrated by one of Net at Work's valued clients, Baked by Melissa, a food processing company and national distributor with 13 locations in and around New York City. When faced with challenges stemming from disconnected, outdated systems and complex procurement across multiple warehouses, Sage X3 provided them a unified solution to overcome these issues. For example, instead of entering a specific location for search results in the MRP tool, their staff could leave the site field blank and, with a single click, gain a comprehensive view of purchasing requirements across all their locations. The exceptional flexibility and scalability of X3 also enabled Baked by Melissa to handle a 2 to 3 times increase in e-commerce order volume without any performance issues, which was a critical advantage for them during peak seasons when previous order surges could otherwise strain operational processes. Lastly, with help from industry experts at Net at Work, Baked by Melissa was able to optimize procurement processes and align their e-commerce operations with inventory management. This integration created a far more efficient solution and enabled them to thrive in a highly competitive market. Switching back over to our demo now. Streamlining high-value transactions is easy with Sage X3's electronic signature and approval management workflows. For example, here we've configured a rule that every PO exceeding $1,000 requires an e-signature approval from the finance manager. Now, every time a PO exceeds this threshold, the system automatically sends an email to the manager that includes a direct link to the signature management screen where they can view a consolidated list of all documents awaiting their approval. From here, they can review supplier details, credit terms, and compliance requirements, then approve or reject POs with a single click. This feature not only enhances operational efficiency, but also strengthens financial oversight and provides a clear audit trail. Now that our purchase order is signed, let's move to the next step: receiving products at the dock using a handheld device, such as a barcode or QR code scanner. Here you can see the mobile automation interface. Now, picture this. I'm standing on the receiving dock with a handheld device. To begin, I'll navigate to Receipts, select Purchase Receipt, and use my device to scan the PO barcode on the printed document. Upon scanning, the system immediately recognizes the supplier associated with this PO. At this point, I can either scan the barcode of the product being received or click the magnifying glass icon to view a list of all available products on the PO. Having this flexibility ensures that even if a barcode or QR code isn't available for a specific field, I can easily find or input the necessary information. Once I've selected a product, I'm going to input the quantity received, specify its status, and then scan the barcode of the location I want it to be stored in. By clicking Next, I can continue adding multiple products to the same receipt in a single session. When everything is accounted for, click Create to publish the receipt record and make the stock immediately available in X3's inventory screen and other standard screens, all in real time. Having this flexibility eliminates manual errors and streamlines the inventory update process. In that example, we walked through creating a purchase receipt using a mobile handheld device and barcodes. However, as shown here, mobile automation extends far beyond receipts. It can also be applied across multiple areas of your warehouse operation and the broader supply chain, from inventory movements and stock counts to manufacturing transactions and sales order picking, providing greater efficiency and accuracy. On the manufacturing side, Sage X3's Planner Workbench is a game changer thanks to its ability to consolidate all production activities into a centralized hub and generate work orders based on sales demand, safety stock, and lead times. The system also accounts for batch sizes, raw material perishability, and shop floor capacity to create more efficient production schedules. Sage X3's MRP tool even adapts dynamically to fluctuations in demand. For example, if a spike in orders occurs for a fast-moving product, the system will suggest increasing quantities in an existing work order, thereby helping to avoid downtime and unnecessary setups. By automating these processes, production teams can focus on ensuring quality and meeting delivery timelines for even the most complex recipes and formulations. Well, that's all for now, and we hope you enjoyed this video, part 2 of 4 in NetAtWorks Food and Beverage series. As you've seen, Sage X3 provides powerful tools for streamlining supply chain operations from procurement to distribution. And it's the perfect fit for manufacturers looking to maintain product availability without compromising quality. If you want to see more videos in this series or are ready to schedule a demo, please refer to the contact information on the screen. And don't hesitate to reach out. We're always here to help.